Upcoming topic is a module. Sorry. Today date, let me change. Yeah. So we are in right direction. Let's take this one. Yeah. I will start. Fine. Yesterday we already done one topic. The topic name is so called as a functions part number 1. From the function part number 1, by this time you should aware how to create a function, how to call a function, parameterize a function. A function can call another function. The next one, return keyword. What keyword? These are all. If you are really very good in those topics, actually, the next immediate topic will be part number 2. Trust me, 2 to 3 interview questions from this document. 2 to 3. And in every real time we are using almost all these one. Especially there is a types of arguments. Second topic actually which is so called as a keyword arguments. What is that, sir? And daily we are using. So even in my company, once I started my coding, actually here and there per day minimum 1 or 2 times we are using regularly. Then that keyword argument is important. Anyway, back to the session. Before entering into the topic, by this time you should aware what is a parameter. That parameter is also called as a formal arguments. What is, madam? Formal arguments. If a function having parameter, we need to pass a values. We need to pass that values having the separate name, that is called as a actual argument. What is that? Actual. In Python programming language, would have a basically 5, but to become as a data scientist, 4 is enough actually. The first one is a positional argument. First one is. Second one, keyword argument. Third one, default argument. Last one, star args or variable length argument. One more time, star args. Good. So let us start. Only my voice is clear. Yeah. I can just I will keep heading here. Types of arguments. Is it working? Okay. Types of arguments. There are 4 types, boss. Positional argument. Second one, keyword arguments. Third one, default arguments. Fourth one, variable length argument. Variable length, length, args, or you can also call it as star args. Star args actually. Star argument. Positional argument. Then what it is? Simple first point. This is one of the way to pass values. This is one of the way. Okay, one of the way for what? To pass values to the function. Values to what exactly, sir? Function. So let me tell you, this is the one of the way. We do have other ways also. We do have what such other ways? Up to you. Which one you are comfortable? You can choose the same thing actually. Let's take one small example. Let me create one small function here. Writing code in a notepad is the best way. Why? Because you need to type each and everything. Kindly please follow the same thing actually. Okay, def function name is m1 and column symbol kind of some high. Just you have created a normal function actually. No parameter, no return, then call function directly. There is a one rule you need to be applied. Only one rule. Why? Because second rule, no parameter. Third rule, no return keyword. If you create a function, you need to call a function. While you are calling the function name should be match. Function name should be. You can let me just try to execute this code. Let's execute this code, Sarji. Okay. Command prompt. Good. Yeah, fine then. Now let me just try to create a one parameter as a function. One parameter actually. If a function having one parameter, you need to pass one value. One value. Yeah, this is so called as a parameter as a function. We are passing one value. Do you want it to print that value? Just to provide a comma and print a, and you can just say to print hi 10 actually. The value is the 10. The value is what exactly, sir? 10. A value is 10. You can just say to print like this. Now you will get an output actually. You're good. So we are good to go. Exactly. Can I get a response from you? Good. So here, the way how we are passing this position is called as a actual argument. What argument actually? Actual argument in the sense, please pass values. Please pass what such values. To pass values, I'm using positional argument. If you are hard coding the values directly, that is called as a positional argument. That is called as a. We already know this point, but this point having the separate definition. That definition is called as a positional argument. The definition is called as a. Good. Passing the value to the function parameter, right? Passing the value to the function parameter. To the function parameter actually. Good. So we done this one. So positional argument. I already covered this one yesterday. Second point will be keyword argument. What is the second one, Sajid? Keyword argument. Keyword argument. Let me just try to take this one. Keyword argument. Maybe yesterday I already covered one point. The point will be, yeah, let me just try to restart. Forget about yesterday discussion. I already covered, but let me recap one more time. In Python programming language, when you're talking about the keyword terminology actually, keyword terminology, there are two topics we have. There are how many? Two topics actually. There are two topics. The first topic name is so called as a, can you help me? Keywords in Python. What is the first topic name? The second topic name is so called as a keyword arguments. Keyword arguments in Python. In Python actually. Let us make it very clear. There is no relationship. Just because of keyword word came actually, don't be an assumption, almost there is some relation. Though the surname is same, no relation actually. Please make a note on this one. Now, sir, the point will be, there is no relation. There is no relationship in between above topics. In between what, Saji? Above topics actually. Then please don't compare. Requesting, please don't compare actually. Please don't what exactly, sir? Compare. I will tell you still why. We need to call this one is a keyword arguments actually. Can I continue? Yeah, let's move on. Then Daniel, what is keyword arguments actually? While passing values, when I say while passing value, I no need to tell a function created, function having parameter. These are all not required, sir, every time actually. While passing the value, if we know name of the parameter, if you know what, Saji? Name of the parameter. One more time, if you know. Name of the parameter also called as a identifier. Did you remember? Name of the parameter also called as what exactly, sir? Where I covered, go back to the Python. Chapter number 3, naming convention chapter. What chapter? Naming convention. Those days I used to tell one thing. What is that one, A name in a program. A name in a program is called as a, that name. It can be package name, module name, variable name, function name, class name, method name. When I say parameter here actually, variable name. What name, Saji? Variable name, right? While passing the value, if you know the name of the parameter, then we can use name of the parameter, name to pass value. To pass what exactly, sir? Values. Come on, let us read one more time. While passing the values, if you know the name of the parameter, if you know what, Saji? Name of the parameter, then we can use name to pass values. We can use what? Name to pass values. Let me create one small example, you will get an idea. Okay, example create chestan chudandi. I will even prove that one also. DEF, please listen carefully. A value is, everybody look at my screen. A value is, comma A. Yeah, very good. M1. I have a question for you. I am using positional argument topic. What topic actually? Because you are passing value directly, that's still okay. A value is 10. A value is what, Saji? 10. There is one more alternative. Yeah, A equals to 10. A equals to, if you know while passing the value, I am passing the value as a 10. But hold on. While passing the value, if you know the name of the parameter, what is the name of the parameter? A. If you remember, you can use name of the parameter to pass the value. You can pass what exactly, sir? Name of the variable. Yeah, see. So still this example is valid. Still this example. If you want, let me change the value so that you will get updated output actually. This is the confirmation. Yeah, a value is what exactly, sir? 11 actually. Yeah, good. So here, this area, it is called as a parameter. It is called as a keyword argument topic. What topic, sir? Keyword or here a behaves like a keyword. Here a behaves like what, such a keyword actually. That name of the parameter behaves like a keyword, right? Exactly. We are using keyword argument. Using what argument actually? Keyword argument to pass value. To pass what, such a value. Very good. Let's move on. Let me prove one more example. I would like to take one more example for your better understanding. Everybody please look at my screen. Hey Daniel, then DEF, a kind of some M1 function, that's still okay. A comma P. Whole. Then print, let me print A value is comma A. I'm very good in copy paste, sir. Yeah. B value is, let us print B. Okay, B. Good. I have a question for you. How many parameters? One more time. How many? 2 parameters. Then I'm using positional argument to pass the value. Valid. I'm using what actually? Positional argument. Positional argument. This example is valid, no doubt in that actually. Yeah, good. We are getting an output. Sir, do you have any alternative A? Yeah, we have an alternative. What is that alternative, you know, sir? While passing the value, if you know name of the parameter, tell me the first parameter name. A. A equals to 20 or else 10, that is still okay, or else 11, up to you. Comma. B equals to 22. B equals to what exactly? This code is valid actually. So here you are using keyword argument topic. What topic, sir? Keyword argument topic to pass the value. To pass what exactly? Value is actual. This is really beautiful. Did you understand or not, sir? Good, good. The beauty here it is. Yeah. What is the beauty here, you know, sir? Let me tell you. Can I ask a question? What is the first parameter name? A. Second parameter name? B. Order doesn't matter here. That is the really beautiful actually. Order doesn't matter. Next one, A equals to 44. A equals to what exactly, sir? 44. This is really beautiful. In positional argument, order matters. In positional argument, order matters. But in keyword arguments, actually, sir, up to you. First of all, do you know parameter names? No, I know. Which one you wanted to pass? B. Yeah, Python interpreter will validate actually. You are passing B, right? Oh, is there any B actually? Oh, it will assign automatically as a 33. Next one you are passing A, right? Automatically it will assign what exactly, sir? 44. Let me run the code, you will get an idea. Here, order doesn't matter. What doesn't matter, sir? Say? Yeah, say, what is the A value? Chaptara, what is A value? 44. You are getting an output, A value is the 44. Can you tell me B value? 33. You are getting B value is what exactly? 33. Conclusion of the story, while using keyword argument, order doesn't matter. Order? Sometimes it really matter for us actually. I don't remember the order, not required for me, right? Let's take this one. Here is the point. While using keyword argument, simple sir, in keyword arguments topic, order of values doesn't matter at all actually. Doesn't matter at all actually. So please make a note on this one. Now let me prove this topic name is a keyword argument. Let me prove this topic name is what, such a keyword argument actually. Daniel, how to prove? Very good, sir. You can pass sequence. Anything you can pass. Anything you can pass actually. So there is one good question. Hey Daniel, instead of let me pass here A equals to 11 and B equals to what exactly, sir? B equals to 22. Let me pass this code. Instead of single value, can I pass group of values? Up to you. Boss 10, 20, 30. 10, 20, what, such 30. Let me run the code. This is the valid example. You can pass anything. You can pass what exactly, sir? Anything actually. Somebody is asked, show this question. This one is a valid actually. If you want, I can take this. You can pass any value, either so single or sequence actually. Very good. So I thought to tell something. what I'm trying to tell. Let me prove this topic name is a keyword argument. Let me prove this topic name is what, Sarji? Keyword argument. Yeah, good. So it's a right term. Let's prove this topic name. This topic name is keyword argument. What argument, sir? Keyword argument. See, sometimes we need to prove. Oh, are you sure this is the keyword argument? Yeah, yes, sir. DFM1. Okay. A. Just one small point is enough. A value is column symbol, comma A. Now M1 of. I have a question for you. Can you tell me? Everybody? Very good. What is the first one? Positional argument. What is the second one? Very nice. You will get two times function will be triggered actually. First time 11, 10, second time. Yeah, very good actually. First time 10, next time 11 actually. Good. Let me tell you. You can ignore this one. We already know this. Sir, what is the name of the parameter? One more time. While you are passing the value, you should use only A. Conclusion of the story. Parameter name should be match. Parameter name should be. Otherwise, you will get error. Actually. Hold on. What error, Read the error very carefully. Slow error in Chodhan. What is that error, Yeah. Hold on. Yeah, very good. Let me take here actually. Everybody listen carefully. First of all, the error name is a type error. What error? Type error. Next one, M1. Yeah, M1 function. Got, you know what I got? An unexpected keyword argument. Okay. The way how we are passing B equals to 11, it is considering, sir, I expected A, but B I didn't expected. I mean to say unexpected keyword argument. Chiptara? Unexpected. Yeah, very good. This word you need to remember actually. Unexpected keyword argument. What? B. Unexpected actually. But if you wanted to fix this one, can you tell me here you need to pass A? Either here you need to pass A, otherwise you need to change. If you change here also you need to change actually. Here also you need to change. Yeah. This is the way I would like to prove. This topic name is called as a keyword argument. What argument? Keyword. Very good. Let's take this one. This is the code actually. Learn from error. Observe the error very closely. You will come to know this topic is the keyword argument actually, right? So learn from error. Then you will understand. Very good, sir. That's it, right? So now let me take few examples for your better understanding. It's a right time I need to open material. I can move on actually. Okay. You can use combination also, fine. Can I take a chair for some time? Yeah, Daniel. Keyword argument topic is very important, sir. Keyword arguments are arguments that recognize the parameter by name of the parameter. Keyword arguments are arguments that recognize the parameters by what, Saji? Name of the parameter. We can use identifier. Means what? Name of the variable. For what? To provide values to the function parameter. To provide values to what, Saji? That's what even I covered actually. Very good. So very good. There is one function. DF cart. Think like Amazon cart. Whenever you are before buying, we need to add into the cart actually generally. That cart function take two parameters. First parameter name is a product. Second parameter name price. Right. So the product. While you are calling this function, product equals to bangles. Very good. Price equals to price you need to pass actually. A kind of some how much actually, sir? 2 lakhs. Okay. 2 lakhs actually. Maybe the one number is okay. 2 lakhs actually. Good. Let me just try to call this one. Yeah, Daniel. Good, Sarji. You have created a function. And that too, can I ask a question? We are using what topic actually? Keyword argument. Let me run the code. This is the valid example actually. Let's take this example. Keyword argument. Move to the next example. Order doesn't matter at all. Go to the next example. See. And now product again. What exactly, sir? Handbag. Oh my God. Price how much? 1 lakh actually. Go on guess. 1 lakh. I'm sorry for kidding. Let's take this. Now let us run this code actually. Sorry. Move to the next example. Keyword argument. Now first two examples belongs to the Lady shopping, madam shopping actually. It's a right time. Let us show my shopping actually. What is my? Boy shopping. Good. Make a note on this one. Product and next one is price. Sir, order doesn't matter. Order doesn't matter. Can I ask you a question? What is the first parameter name? Price. How much? 1200. 1200. Boy shopping actually. The next one, product. Can you talk with me? Shut. Yeah, good. Let's take this one. Order doesn't matter at all actually. But remember one thing. Whenever you are using keyword argument, name should be match. What should be match? Otherwise, you will get what exactly? No, sir. Type error. The description is important. Can you read one more time? Got unexpected keyword argument. One more time. Unexpected. One more time. Remember this. Remember this. We are going to recall this one many number of times actually. Let's take this example. You can pass here, Sergi. Now let us take this keyword argument actually. That's what you need to be understand about the keyword arguments. Yeah, good Daniel, we understand. Move to the next one. At least product. Can I pass here as a P? No. Price it is matching, but product it is not matching. Now what error you will get? Just now I told you guys told actually. Yeah, see, got unexpected keyword argument as a. That's it actually. See. Name should be matched. Otherwise error, sir. Otherwise what exactly? Error. Yeah, good. So there are two topics we already covered. The first one is positional argument we done. Second one is keyword argument we done actually. Right? So can I talk with online team, Sergi? Online team, are you following? Good. Then let me take this one. During data analysis, machine learning, I will cover this point, Sergi. Why? Because as of now, learn the syntax. There is one good question. One of our team is asking this: how you are using in real time? Good question. Let me explain. During data analysis, and the next one will be ML, next one DL, the next one NLP, ETC. In upcoming topics, I will cover actually. These are all. Okay. All good. Then let's move on. Good, Sergi. Sir, two topics I covered actually. Let me take one small 1 minute actually. Few guys are coming late. I request you come at right time. What exactly, sir? Right time 9:30 you should be here. If you are coming to the late, that's still okay, but you may miss the topic. Topic miss a chance today, right? Yeah, let's move on quickly. Come at right time, sir. Come at right time. What is the third topic name? One more time. Good. Let me explain about this. This one also one of the way to pass values to the parameter. These are all different ways to pass values to the parameter. That's it, Sergi. Apart from that, nothing. Yeah, good. Let's move on. First, look at my screen. So, M1. Hello. Normal function. Call the normal function directly. This topic you should know first to point actually. Before learning about positional, keyword, default, first you should know this one. If you don't know this one, gone case. In enta gatti garisina sare, you cannot understand actually. Good. Now let us assign here as a parameter. Then let us just change a small description. A value what exactly, sir? Is comma A. Now can I ask a question? What topic I'm using actually? Positional or very nice. What topic I'm using? If you are not passing anything, see the error also relevant to the same positional argument. Please pass the position. Please pass what, Saji? See, from error we need to learn actually. Good. Let us just try to pass the value. Okay, this one is a valid. Now, can you please help me? M1 of A equals to 11. What topic I'm using? Very nice, sir. You got a clarity actually. Which one is so this one is a positional argument. This one is what exactly? Keyword. What is the third one? Default argument. What is the third one? Sir, what do you mean by default argument? M1 of C. A. This is called as a parameter. This is called what, Sarji? While creating the function, if you know the value, you can pass here directly. While creating the function, this is the very rare. Chala rare untundi. But the syntax is valid. While creating the function, you know the parameter. You already know the value for parameter. pass here actually. Syntactically valid. Syntactically what such valid. Then column symbol. And here you can just try to tell, show a value is column symbol. What I need to print? Sir, ultimately can I tell one thing? For that parameter, value is required. For that parameter, what is required? When I say value, you can use positional argument. You can use keyword argument. Otherwise, you can use default argument. That's still fine actually. This syntax is called as a default argument. What argument? One more time. Default argument actually. What do you mean by default argument, sir? While creating the function, you can pass value to the parameter directly. You can pass value to the parameter directly. Yeah, that's what I done actually. Till previously, only name of the parameter. But now, I know the value. Then you can pass it. That's still okay. Python is allowing actually. These are all ways to pass values. These are all ways to pass the values actually. First one, positional arg. Madam, Chapali. First one, positional arg. Second one, third one. That's what you need to be understand. There is one small catch. There is one important point. What is that important point, sir? Let me tell you. For this function parameter, already it is having value. Already it is having what, Saji? Then call the function directly. That's it actually. Call the function directly. Why? Because this function value, this function parameter already having the value. Then no need to pass value here actually. No need to pass what, Saji? Value. Yeah, let me just try to run this code. Exactly, sir. You are getting an output actually. You are getting what exactly, sir? Output. Are you clear? Good. Let's take this one. While creating the function, we can pass values directly to the, we can pass values to the parameter, to what exactly, sir? Parameter directly. That word is important. Yeah. While you are passing parameter, you can pass values actually. Yeah. This is the example. This is called as a default argument. There is one important interview question here actually. Default argument. Default argument. For default argument, then we can call function directly. We can call function what, Saji? Directly actually. That's what we're doing. So imagine there is a default argument. There is a default argument. Then you can call the function directly. You can call what, Saji? Function directly actually. Make a note on this. Next point. It is not yet done. Hold on. Everybody make a note. What is important entry question here? DEF M1 equals to 11 column symbol print of online team. Hold on, sir. Can we close that door? Door closed londa. Door closed londa. Close end, sir. Yeah, thank you. Okay, good. Thank you. Let us just try to print a value. A value is column symbol comma A. A value is 11. Can I ask a question? I have created a function. But while passing parameter, while creating function itself actually, I know the value for the parameter, you can pass directly. You can pass what, Saji? Directly. Yeah, good. Then you can call function directly. You can call function what, Saji? Directly. Yeah, good. Make a note on this one. It is valid actually. It is what exactly, sir? Well, here what is entry question, sir? Though this parameter already having value, I mean to say default argument we already have. What we do have? Default argument. But still, can I pass one value from here actually? You can pass. Default argument already having value. Chappan sir? Default argument already having. But still, can I pass value actually? Generally, you no need to pass. If you are not passing, default value will be assigned actually. If you are not passing, default value will be what, Saji? Assigned. Sir, these are all through practice only you can remember. Just for listening, you can understand the topic actually. You can understand the topic. Hey Daniel, can I pass directly 22? You can pass. Now what happened, 11 will become old value. 11 is called as a old value. 22 is called as a new value. Here, old value will be replaced with new value. Now what is output actually? Exactly. That's what you need to be understand. That's what you need to be understand. Apart from that, nothing actually. Repeating again. For default argument, if you are still passing the value, that's still okay. Old values will be replaced with new values. Old values will be replaced with New values actually, new values. That's what. That's really very good. I hope you understand very clearly. Who can use, sir? Return keyword, all combinations are valid. We'll cover these are all combinations later actually. Okay. Yeah, good. Look at my example. Look at the code. Look at the code. During function creation, we can provide default values to the function parameter. While creating the function, we can provide values to the function parameter. Can you read this line one more time? While creating the function, we can provide values. Very nice. So look at my screen. I'm creating a function, Sarji. Fine. There is a one parameter product. I don't know the value. It's okay. You can make it empty. The next one, there is a one parameter price. I know the price actually. I know what's Sarji? Price. This is called as a default price. What price actually? What do you mean by default? You know, sir, there are some shops. Already tag is available in outside actually. Touch any item 100 rupees. Am I right or no, sir? That is a default tag. That is what, Sarji? Default tag. Take any product. Either you can take small bucket, small water bottle, kind of some small, a mobile stand actually. These are all things actually. Right? Good. Let us just have to create this one. I would like to create it. DF cart. DF what, Sarji? Cart. There are two parameters I am planning to provide. The first one is a product. The next one is a price. Price, let us make it something like a 40 rupees or else 100 rupees actually. Sir, can I ask a question? This is called as a default argument. Japan default argument. This is called as a non-default argument. What is that? Non-default argument. Non-default argument. Otherwise, you can also call as a parameter. You can also call as a parameter actually. Column symbol. Now here, you can just have to print the product is. Product is. Can you tell me what I need to print? Product. Okay. Can you tell me the next one? The price is. I would like to say the price tag. Price is. Price is actually. Can you help me, sir? Price actual. Price. Very good. Now I have a question for you. What is the function name? Cart. How many parameter? 2. First one product. Next one price. How many parameter having values? 1. Then there is a one parameter no value. You have to pass the value. You have to pass the value. Sir, ultimately, for every parameter, value is required. Ultimately, for every parameter, what is required? Value is required. Price already having value. Product, yeah, default value. Product having no value, then you can pass. Product having no values, then you can pass actually. Yeah, good. Let me just try to call. Daniel, can I use keyword argument to pass the value? Yeah, you can use such. Then don't ask what is keyword argument actually. I can pass here kind of some pen or water bottle, anything you can say, small water bottle. Yeah, very good, Saji. Excellent. We are getting an output actually. I have a question for you. Can you tell me this syntax is called as a? Very good. This syntax is called as a? Fine. You can mix together actually. Up to you. You can mix together. Okay. Yeah. Let's take this example. Default arguments and keyword arguments we are mixing together. Yeah, okay, Daniel. Okay, Daniel. Then move to the next one. A small water bottle. Yeah, good. Small water bottle price. How much actually, sir? 40 rupees. Now let me ask one question. Everybody look at my screen. Comma. Let us take price tag. Okay. Price equals to 100 actually. What exactly, sir? 100. Can I say this is the old value? This is new value. Now what is the price tag now? You understand the topic. I feel so happy actually. That's what you need to be understand. These are all do practice. Do what, Sachi? Practice actually. Practice. Let's take this one. Imagine name should be match. Name should be match. Otherwise, unexpected keyword argument. Madam, one more time. Unexpected. One more time. Very good. Very good actually. Take this example. All good, sir. All good, actually. Trust me, you are able to understand these are all. Okay. Now, I just wanted to hear recap actually from you. What is the first one? Positional argument. Next one? Keyword argument. Keyword argument, actually. Keyword argument. Next one? Default argument. We done. All these three we done. Default args, actually. What is the fourth one? Variable length argument, also called as a star args. What exactly, sir? Star arg. This is quite funny. It's all about variable length args, actually. Also called as a star arguments. Star arguments, actually. A small recap. Let's move on. Let me drink water. Online team, please spare a couple of minutes. Yeah, let's move on. Now, Daniel, variable length argument, or also called as a star arguments. Star arguments, actually. Star arguments. Let me explain this topic. Oh, seems to be. Did I walk through all these examples? Default argument. You kindly please walk through these are all. Default argument. Sir, why red color? You would. If you are not passing any value, then only default value will be considered. Considered, actually. Considered. Yeah. The next one is a star args. What is the next one? Also called as a variable length argument, actually. What argument, sir? Variable length argument. This is important. In real time, very rare we are using, but for interview purpose, it is important. For interview purpose, it is important. Let me cover this. Before covering this one, let me cover one small interview question. What is that interview question? You know, everybody look at my screen. Interview question. Let me show you practically first. Let me show you practically. Add function. A comma B. Print of A plus B. A plus what, subject? B, actually. You already know this, right? M1 function. Oh, sorry, sir. Add function. 10 comma 20. How many rules I applied? Any idea? How many rules? 2 rules, actually. What is the first one? Name should be matched. What is the second one? Values, parameters. You should remember the rules, sir. When I say rules, 3 rules. Rule number 1, name should be matched. Rule number 2, pass values, 2 parameters. Rule number 3, if a function having written, that function calling we need to assign into. These are all you have to remember lifetime, actual. It's not like just last 2 days I covered, you forget. No. Lifetime you need to remember. Okay? Yeah, good. Sir, can you tell me what is a parameter names, actually? Parameter name should be unique. Parameter name should not be duplicate, actual. Parameter name should be unique. Parameter name should not be duplicate. Should not be duplicate, actually. Let me run this code. You will get an idea. First of all, let us pass A comma B and we'll see the output, actually. You are getting output as a 30. You are getting output as a parameters should be unique. I'm sorry. Parameters should be what exactly, sir? Different, actually. A and B. It should not match. It should not what exactly, sir? I mean to say duplicate parameters you should not provide. If you are providing duplicate parameters, we are getting an error. What is that error? You know, duplicate argument. What is that? Duplicate argument. I am able to see duplicate parameter. Duplicate parameter. Then don't pass this one, actually. During interview they will ask, is it valid or invalid, actually? You need to tell invalid. You need to tell what, Saji? Invalid. Interview question. For a function, parameter names should be different. Should be what, Saji? Different. It should not be unique. What's that word? 1 minute. It should not be duplicate. Yeah, correct, Saji. It should not be duplicate, actually. Should not be duplicate. Thank you. Then let's move on. That's what you need to be understand. Can I continue? Yeah. So I hope by this time we done 3 types of arguments, actually. Positional argument, keyword argument, default argument. Now the next one is a star variable argument. Yeah, star arguments, also called as a variable length argument. What is the topic name? Variable length argument. Variable length argument, actually. Yeah, good. Let's continue. First understand the scenario. Then you will understand the topic very easily. First understand what, Saji? Scenario. Let me tell you what is that scenario. I would like to write two types of shopping. With my whole experience, I'm a married guy, I'm a married person. Two types of shopping actually. I'm sorry for getting. Let me tell you. First one, DEF, I would like to say girls shopping. I'm not comparing with everybody. Let me compare my wife. I'm not talking about all girls actually. Let me talk about my wife actually. Girls shopping. Let us provide, I would like to say P1, the next one is the P2. What exactly, sir? P2 actually. Column symbol, print off. Yeah, you need to enter first product price actually. Please enter first product, please enter second product, then the total will be total equals to what exactly, sir? Chaptara P1 plus P2. Very good. Then you have to pay the total bill is actually bill is good. Column symbol, what I need to print? Total actually. Yeah, good. I can make it total actually. So imagine my wife entered into the shop, sir. So think like, yeah. In this function, there is a restriction. What is that restriction, sir? Sir, we have to provide only two values. Means first product price will be 999. Think like that actually. First product price is what, sir? 999. Second product price is a 777. Second product price will be. Do you think they will stop there actually? No. My wife went to 444. The next one will be 3456. The next one will be 878 actually. Now I have a question for you. Product 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But this function will handle how many actually? 2. Then here it is failing actually. Here it is what, Saji? Failing. Now let me run this example. Let me run what, Saji? This example actually. Are you getting what you are getting? Boss, this function takes only 2 arguments, but how many you are giving? 5 actually. How many you are giving? 5 actually. But I should handle this scenario. I should handle what, Saji? This scenario. It's my interest. Once I entered into the shop, either I can buy 1 item, 2 item, 10 items, 20 items. Please, you have to handle in your coding level actually. First of all, did you understand? Are you with me or not, sir? Good. Now let me tell you. This is the scenario number 1. I would like to say scenario number 1. Please understand. What is that scenario, If a function having 2 parameter, chaptara 2 parameter, then we need to pass, chappan sir, we need to pass only 2 values. Only what, Sarji? 2 values. 2 values. Otherwise error. Otherwise what, Sarji? Error. Yeah, this is the scenario number 1. Scenario number 2. Let me talk about the boys shopping. I'm sorry for getting boys shopping actually. What is the boy shopping, Sarji? First one P1, next one P2. Before entering into the shop, we will decide actually what we want. P1 next is what exactly? P2. Total bill. Total what exactly, sir? Bill actually. Can you tell me? Pin. Let me call this function and so before entering into the shop, we decided already. I will buy only 2 products. I will buy only, no matter what. If owner say 1 hour explanation also will tell, enough. I need only 2 products. I need only what, Sarji? 2 products actually. What is the output we will get? This one is a valid example. This one is what, Sarji? Valid example. But let me tell you, sometimes I wanted to buy 3rd product also. I wanted to buy next product also. But this function is failing. This function is what, Sarji? This scenario I need to handle. If it is at 2 values, it's okay. The function is working very well. The function is working what exactly, sir? Very well. What is the guarantee? While function call, I may pass 1 value, 2 value, 3 value. I will not buy anything, sir. Window shopping also I need to do. Am I right? Possible. Window shopping also I need to do. Then how to handle this scenario, This scenario we can handle by using variable length argument. What argument, sir? Variable length argument. Variable length argument. Variable length argument. Okay. Now hold on. I would like to say having 2 parameters. Then so pass a 2 value. Provided 2 value. Pass 2 values actually. Valid. Sir, this is valid actually. This is valid. Now let us take this example. This how to handle, Daniel. How to handle. In shopping, if this kind of restriction is available, awesome actually. If shopping, they will tell, sir, you have to buy only 2 products actually. Awesome actually. But anyway, good. Sir, this is failing. Why? Because how many parameter? 2 parameter. Very good, Daniel. 2 parameters. But how many values you are passing actually? 5 values you are passing. How many values? 5 values you are passing. It is mismatch. You will get what exactly, sir? Error actually. Then how to handle this scenario? This scenario we can handle. We can fix the issue by using variable length argument. By using what argument? Let me introduce the topic. What is variable length argument actually? The problem statement. I wanted to pass more and more values. Up to me, I can say 5 values, 10 values, 2 values, 3 values actually. Then how to handle? How to what exactly, sir? Handle. Answer. We can handle by using variable length argument. By using what, Saji? Variable length argument. First of all, did you understand the scenario? Variable length argument also called as a star args. Also called as a let me show you example. Then you will get an idea. Okay, example రాసాను చూడండి మీకు ఒక ఐడియా వస్తుంది. First understand the scenario. DF, there is a function name is a shopping. Function name is a shopping actually. There is a one parameter. Then here the price is. Price what exactly, sir? Is actual. Print. Sir, only one item. Only what exactly? One item. Think like a 999. Valid actual. Can you tell me? Valid. Price is what, Sajid? 999. But think like I am passing 777. I am passing 666 also. Do you think valid actually? No, you will get error. You will get what, Sajid? To handle this scenario, do one thing. Only one parameter, right? You don't need to pass any other parameter. Just before the parameter, you can just add one symbol. Symbol name is a star. What is the symbol name? Star symbol. The moment once you add star means many, Sarji. Star means what? Here onwards, if you want, you can pass not only single value. You can pass 1 value, 2 value, 3 value, 4 value, up to you. You can pass anything actual. You can pass anything. Are you clear or not, sir? Right? Now this function accept. Either do you want to pass 1 value, it will accept. 2 values it will accept. 3 values it will accept. Up to you. No limitation. Up to you, what, Saji? No limitation. Here is a small catch. Seems to be you are passing how many values here actually, sir? 3 values. But how many parameter? 1 parameter. How many parameter? Then 1 parameter. Python interpreter will involve actually. So group of values, 1 parameter, then it will knock sequence type door actual. Then it will have a nice conversation. Sir, you know what happened? Somebody is calling the function. He is providing 3 values, but in that function I have seen only 1 parameter. Can somebody come to my home? Please handle the scenario. One data structure will raise the hand, sir. That data structure is a tuple data structure. What is that? Tuple data structure actually. Now, if you want, kindly please make a note. Now the all values it is storing within the tuple actually. Very good. Price is tuple. What exactly, sir? Tuple actually. Daniel, can I pass one more value? Sir, up to you. Let me continue actually. Up to you. Daniel, can I pass one more value? Sir, I am repeating again, up to you. How many values you want, you can pass actually. You can pass actually. This is seriously beautiful topic actually. Back end, all shopping malls handling the scenario by using star arguments actually. Who knows, you may buy 2 items, I may buy 3 items actually. Are you with me or not, sir? Good. Sir, are you getting everybody? Yeah, good. First I will pass 2 values. Star arguments actually. We are passing, as of now we are passing 2 values. How many values? 2 values. Valid actual. More the next example. Star arguments. Let us pass 3 values. Valid actual. Star arguments. Let us pass 4 values. Then we can close the discussion. Let us pass 4 values actually. 4 values. You can pass anything. Good. Hold on. Can I separate these all for your better understanding? Please, everybody look at my screen. Till here I can separate the code. I'm pretty sure you understand. Can I continue? Good. So simple, sir. Daniel, there is a function call. I don't know how many values I will pass. Then handle with variable length argument. Handle with what, Sarji? Variable length argument. Yeah, good. Daniel, while it is printing all prices, I wanted to do the sum also. I wanted to do what, Sarji? Sum also. Then print off. In Python programming language, there is one predefined function That function name is a sum. S equals to some function you can call. What function? Sum actually. Sum of you can provide A. Sum of you can provide what, Sarji? Then you can print S actually. You can print what, Sarji? Yes. Total bill. Total what exactly, sir? Bill is. Now can you please tell me? Yes. Yeah, good. So we are doing the total bill also. Excellent actually. We are doing total bill also. Bill also. I have a question for you. Can you tell me what is the sum here? Predefined function. One more time. Predefined function. Very nice. Daniel, can I pass one more value? Sir, that's what I'm telling. Up to you. How many number of values you can pass? You can pass. No doubt in that actual. Did you understand or not, sir? Good. These are all. Through practice you can understand. Star args and some function. Some function actually. Some function. I will tell you, let me give a small introduction about the sum function. Sum function. Sum is a predefined function in Python. It is predefined. Predefined function in Python actually. By using this, we can do cumulative sum. Cumulative sum with numbers actually. Numbers, right? So let me take one small example. Okay, చిన్న example తీసుకుంటాను చూడండి. A equals to 10, 20, 30, 40. Now print of A. Print of what, Sarji? A. So if you are doing manually the sum, it takes little longer time actually. What is the sum, Sarji? 10, 20, 30, 30 plus 30, 60, 60 plus 100 actually. You will get output like 100. S equals to sum of, చెప్పండి sir, A. Then let me print S. I'm sorry. Did I? Yeah, sum you are getting actually. Are you with me? Good. Sum is a predefined function. For that sum, you can pass sequence with all integer value. It will do the cumulative. What do you mean by cumulative? 10 plus 20, 30. Again, that 30 will be add to the next value, 30 plus 30. Then 60. Again, this 60 will be add to 40. This is called as a cumulative sum. It is what, Sarji? Cumulative sum. Very good. Hope you understand. Then the same sum function I have used here actually. The beauty is we done types of arguments. Types of arguments. Yeah. Understand the topic very clearly. Who can do anything in Python? Let's move on. Let me explain. Star args also called as a variable length argument. Sir, I have a question for you. Ayo, previous code. Where is the previous code? This one is a previous code, Daniel, actually. Can you tell me what is the name of the parameter actually? Yeah, instead of A, generally in real time, we need to give as a args. What is that? Arguments actually. Then, whenever you are printing that name of the variable, you have to remove star symbol. Daniel, can I print directly with the star symbol? No. You will get error actually. You will get what, Saji? Error. Only for the syntax you need to add as a star. Args also you can provide. Args you can provide. And here args, arguments actually. Arguments. Now this example is again valid. Make a note on this one. Instead of that name of the parameter A, you can go for arguments. Group of arguments. Group of what, Saji? Argument. Then this arguments, the data type is backend is the tuple data structure. What data structure? Tuple data structure actually. Tuple data structure. Okay. Kindly please walk through the theory. Sometimes our requirement can be, I need to provide more values to the function parameter to process the result. Here we can use star args actually. It is representing single star symbol. What symbol, sir? Single star symbol. In Python, try to understand the speciality of the star symbol. Speciality about the star symbol actually. Where are all it is using, Daniel actually? Sir, where are all it is using, a kind of some single star. Can you tell me what is the notation? Multiplication. Two star symbol. Can you tell me? Come again?
Linear.
Very good. Exponential actually. Exponential operation. Kind of some star A. Sir, this is called as a variable length argument. Variable length argument actually. That's what you need to be understand. Arguments. Did you understand or not? That's it. Very good. In module also we are using. So one more star symbol actually. In module topic also we are using. In module topic also we are using how upcoming topic. Module is upcoming topic. Did you understand? Yeah, we can move on. So it is representing with single star symbol before argument name actually. Internally, the provided values will be stored in a tuple data structure. So let me tell you, if you create a one parameterized function, we need to pass one value. Two parameterized function, we need to pass two value. Otherwise, we'll get error. Otherwise, we'll get what, Sarji? Then Daniel, how to handle? Yeah, you can just handle by using star arguments actually. When I say star args, instead of ORGS, you can provide ABC, X, Y, Z up to you actually. Now we can pass any number of values to this star arguments. Internally, the provided values will be stored in a tuple data structure. What data structure? Tuple data structure. Tuple data structure. Okay. Hold on. Yeah. Move to the next one. Variable length argument. Yeah. Good. So seems to be. Oh, sorry, sir. Sorry, this is the not normal. Normal one. Function. One parameter. Pass one value. Valid actually. Sir, function, one parameter. How many values you are passing? Two. It is invalid. It is what, Sarji? Invalid. Now then DF, M. Yeah, variable length argument actually. Can I pass one value? You can pass. Can I pass two value? Sir, you can pass three values also. You can pass what, Sarji? Up to you. Any number of values you can pass. No limitation. No limitation actually. Limitation. That's what. Now the next topic will be anonymous function. Anonymous function. I wanted to ask you, are you following everybody? You understand, I guess, right? Thank you. Thank you for nice response. Can I hear from your sweet voice actually? What is the first one? Positional argument. Very good. Next one. Keyword arguments. The next one. Variable length argument. Variable length. Also called as a star arguments actually. Don't provide the space. ఇక్కడ మనం space provide చేయకూడదు. Even if you are providing that still okay, but don't provide actually. Don't provide the space. This is about the small trick here. A small note. Kind note actually. Today Wednesday, right? Wednesday or Thursday? Wednesday. Today Wednesday. Coming Monday, what is the date actually? 15th. Coming Monday. Exam actually. What exactly, sir? Exam. Exam syllabus, let me tell you. The syllabus goes around, yeah, hold on. Exam duration. I will tell you the pattern also. It would be really good. Even I will tell you the reason why I am conducting exam. Daniel, if I miss exam, anything happen, I will tell you. Just now itself, I will tell you actually. Okay. The syllabus from where to where I can take, where to where. Only the all what all topics within I will take those things actually. We can close till date function spot number 1. Maybe we may close tomorrow also. Let me give till from 1 to 12 topics actually. 1 to what topics, sir? 12 topics. 12 topics. The syllabus will be. Can you help me from introduction to what exactly, sir? Function spot number 2. I will tell you what questions I will give. General I will give, so 3 to 4 questions I will tell you. What is the pattern I will tell actually. What is the number, sir? From introduction to function spot number 2. Syllabus. The syllabus will be 1 to 12. From index 1 to 12 chapters actually. Is it okay for you? Are you feeling very heavy? Very simple, right? Daniel, what is that? From Python introduction to చెప్పండి సార్ functions part 2. Functions what exactly? Part 2 actually. Part 2. Then Daniel, can you tell me exam pattern actually? Sure, I will tell you exam pattern. Hold on. Sir, first of all, why conducting exam? First, let me tell you the exam pattern. Good. So this is manually you have to write. You have to write actually. This is something like bring white paper. Bring what exactly, sir? White papers actually. White papers and pen. You can just have to start write actually. Offline and online both. Offline and what exactly? Online. Online anyway. You may not come from Bangalore, Andhra, different location. I believe you guys. You also please during that exam time. I will be here. It is going to happening in my presence actually. You should not look at the material. You should not look at what, Sarji? Material. You have to write without saying actual. You have to write without what, Sarji? Saying. Good. Hey, Daniel, can you tell me what type of questions you will give actual? Questions pattern. To Total 4 questions I will give, sir. Total how many questions? 4 questions. No option, we have to attempt 4 questions. No option, we have to attempt what, Saji? 4 questions. Let me tell you the exam pattern. Like this I will ask actually. One question let me explain. Explain about written keyword. What keyword actually? Written keyword. From our material you need to write everything actually. Trust me, I will not give written actual. Did you understand? This is just a sample question I am telling actual. Are you with me or not, sir? I am repeating again. Can you tell me what is the question I will ask? Explain about. From our material you have to write. The next one will be explain about parameters. Explain about what, Saji? Not parameter, operators actual. What is the topic name? Operators. I need little theory, and for every point I need one example. From our material copy paste, man, the main motto will be why I'm conducting exam, we are all having kind of some vibes. If it is exam, we can prepare very nicely. Chappan sir, I know you guys are preparing regularly, but I wanted to check how you guys are preparing. Next point, Daniel, unfortunately I am unable to attend the exam. No problem at all. That is up to you. If you are coming, that is okay. If you are not coming also, I will not point you. I will never ask any question why you didn't attend exam. No, sir, my nature will be, let us be friendly. Let me teach. My role will be I'm a trainer. Let me teach nicely. Remaining up to you, your career. If you are attending, then you can gain the subject actual. If you are not attending, you can lose. You may lose actual. Did you understand? Okay. Now the exam goes, the total duration, the time, maybe 1.5 hour, the whole session actually, 1.5 hour, we'll see. I may extend one more question also, that's still fine. 1.5 hour or 1 hour, we'll see up to you actually. Are you clear? Any questions here? Any questions? Trust me, I will not give this question actually, but I know what questions I will give. Are you clear, Saji? But one important point, written keyword is very, very important. Written keyword is what, Saji? Very, very important, make a note on this one. When I'm asking about the written keyword, please, my main motto will be you have to cover from our material. Whatever I have explained from starting till ending, you have to write actually. Simple. There is no exception actually. And I will give questions from our material only. I will give questions from what, Saji? Our material. Like this, for Python I will conduct 2 exams. Pandas I will conduct 2 exams. Two exams, it will be helpful for you to recollect the subject actually. Did you understand? Yeah. When is exam? Monday, right? Monday actually. Why Monday, sir? At least you will get I promise like this coming Saturday I may conduct, but I'm little busy. During second Saturday I may not take the session, but Friday I may not push actually. Suddenly only one day you have. I'm thinking about you. Let us conduct on Monday. Osar gada session ke? Yeah, I believe you guys actually. Okay, good. Either 1 hour or 1.5 hour, we'll see. Online team after we have written, no need to come to institute. Take your mobile and take a snapshot and you can share to my mail ID actually. Did I share my mobile number? Okay. Don't share in WhatsApp, share to my mail ID actually. Alright, sir, let us move on. So that's what, is there anything pending? No, nothing. Let us continue. Let us enter into the next topic. I thought I can close this one today. It's okay. I'm going little slow. My teaching is little slow, Sachi. But trust me, you are getting, I guess. Am I right? Good. Now, fine. It's a right time. This is the last topic in functions part number 2. The topic name is so called as anonymous functions. What is the topic name? Anonymous function also having another name. That name is so called as lambdas. Also called as a lambda function actually. What exactly, sir? Lambda functions. Lambda functions. Let us continue the introduction actually. In Python, I'm continuing the topic in Python. We can create a function. In 2 ways. By using 2 ways actually. In 2 ways we can create. Actually. The first one, def keyword. Very good. What is the first one? Def keyword. Second one, lambda keyword actually. Hey, do you want to create a function in Python? Yeah, Daniel. Either you can go for def keyword, you can go for. But when should I can go for def? When should I can go for lambda? I will cover one by one actually. If you are using def keyword, Daniel, I have created a function. I have created by using def keyword actually. What keyword, sir? Def keyword. That is so called as a general function. What function? General function. You can also call as a normal function. You can also call as what, Sachi? General function, normal function, normal function. Daniel, I have created a function. Okay, by using what? Lambda. By using what, Sachi? Lambda actually. Lambda. I'm sorry. Lambda actually. Lambda keyword. Then that is not a normal function, sir. That is called as a anonymous function. That is not a general function. And you can also call as a lambda function. What function, Saji? A lambda function. Lambda functions actually. That's what you need to be understand. Can I get a response from you? Now, Daniel, in real time. In real time actually. Real time or real world actually. Once I entered into the company, imagine somebody is creating a function. No doubt there are on an average somebody have created a 10 functions actually. How many functions, man? Out of 10 functions, 9 functions they will create by using df keyword. By using what keyword actually? Df keyword. Here and there, based on requirement, there is one function they can use by using lambda. Lambda function actually. Let me tell you, lambda keyword. I'm sorry, lambda keyword. I'm explaining what it is, what it not it is, where is a more weightage actually. These are all things I'm repeating. Are you going to create a function by using a def? That is called as a general function. Are you going to create a function by using lambda? That is called as a anonymous. Next one, lambda. Hey Daniel, in real time, in a project, I have created a 10 functions. Let me tell you myself. In my company, think like I have created a 10 functions in one project actually. 90% guarantee. I mean to say 9 functions. 9 functions or 8 functions. I should use df keyword only. I should what, Sachi? df keyword. Here and there, more or less 1 or 2, one function we are using lambda keyword. What keyword actually? Are you clear actually? Yeah, good. I will tell you one by one. Daniel, what is a purpose actually? What is a purpose? I will tell you. You are creating a function, okay, by using df keyword. What keyword, sir? df keyword. Then one of the more added advantage will be reusability. Chapter, sir, what is that? One more time. Reusability. I mean to say, create once, call any number of times. That is called as a reusable. I created only one time. I can call 10 times, 20 times, 30 times up to me actually. But let me tell you, sir, I have created a function. What type of function? Lambda keyword. What keyword actually? Sir, only one time purpose. Only what, Sachi? One time purpose. Only one time you need to call. Second time, no need to call actually. That's it. It's elapsed. Are you with me or not, sir? Conclusion of the story. Are you creating a function by using df actually? Reusability is the best feature. What is the best feature? Reusability. I have a requirement. Throughout the project, I wanted to use that functionality only one time actually. I don't want to call again and again. Go for lambda function. Go for what function? Best example, let me tell you one small example. What is that example, you know? When I say function, df keyword. What keyword, sir? df keyword. Can you talk with me? What is advantage, sir? Reusability. Okay, hold on. I will give one small example. I'm creating a function and here I'm using lambda keyword. Chapter, sir, what keyword? Can you tell me only one time purpose actually? Good, hold on. Generally, let me explain about my pattern. What do you mean by reusability, you know? Imagine once the session done regularly. This is my regular pattern actually. I used to go to my home and I will call my wife actually and I will ask her, can you please prepare one coffee? I like coffees actually. Then my wife will prepare the coffee and she will use steel glass actually. What glass, man? Steel glass. Steel glass is reusable. Steel glass is what, Saji? Reusable actually. Sometimes I need to visit my company. Based on if client visit is there available actually. Weekly once or twice I need to go to my company actually. Then in company there is a cafeteria separately. Do you want to have a cup of coffee, tea? You know, company will provide actually. Then once I entered into the company, I am asking, Anna, can you provide one coffee actually? Do you think they will give where exactly? Paper cup actually. What cup, sir? This is the best example. Functions df keyword. Can you talk with me? Reusable, lambda, only one time purpose actually. Don't give this example during interview. I'm sorry for getting. Are you getting or not, sir? This is just for your better understanding only. Can I get a response from you? Are you creating a function by using df? Yeah, Daniel. What is advantage? Reusability. Reusability actually, right? Then let me tell you, sir. When you are traveling in a metro, Metro two types actually. Reusability, they will give pass. They will give what, Sarji? Pass, reusable. Take one time, second day, third day, fourth day, you don't need to take actually. That is a reusability. Next one will be take a ticket. Take what, Sarji? Ticket only one time. Yeah, exactly. Based on scenarios, functions will come actual. Are you getting or not, sir? Good. Very nice. Then 10:43. Can I ask you one question? When I'm closing the session, are you feeling like, so the session is already over by this time actually? If you are feeling you are in right direction to learn actually. అదర్వైజ్ వాట్ నేను ఏమంటున్నానంటే సెషన్ అయిపోయేటప్పుడు ఇంకా కొంచెం 10 minutes ఉంటే బాగుండు అని ఎవరికైనా అనిపిస్తే కనుక యూఆర్ ఇన్ రైట్ డైరెక్షన్. ఇఫ్ ఎనీబడి ఈస్ లుకింగ్ ఫర్ సెషన్ ఎప్పుడు అవుతురా బాబు అని ఎవరైనా చూస్తే కనుక సి ప్లీజ్ యూఆర్ ఇన్ నాట్ రైట్ డైరెక్షన్ యాక్చువల్లీ. ప్లీజ్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఇంప్రూవ్ యువర్ లెర్నింగ్ థింకింగ్. ఐఎమ్ సారీ ఫర్ కిడింగ్. ఆల్ రైట్ సర్జీ, వి డన్ టుడే సెషన్. Sir, how are you? How about your practice actually? Are you doing regularly? Nisu cheppandi, are you doing? Yeah, please do it actually. We done today's session.